Hi, I'm Ayushman,
Hi, I'm Sakshi.
and we are the co-founders of Chillo. So here at Chillo, what we're trying to do is we're trying to connect local sellers to consumers. Our main goal in this venture is to digitalize local sellers in small tier 2, tier 3 emerging cities of India. We started off here in our very own hometown of Shillong, and this has been the perfect ground for us to really, experiment with the idea and see how consumers and stores respond to it. So the company Chillo actually started way back in March, right at the onset of the lockdown. And I started thinking of an idea, a self-sustainable idea, where local sellers could be selling to consumers via logistics services, implementing social distancing measures and making everyone's lives a lot easier.
We took this from scratch, like from Shillong Mart, we got into Chillo basically, and we started our operations 2 months ago, you can say. We launched on 12th of November. So yeah, that's it. That's like where we are.
We started off with the name Shillong Mart because obviously we were catering to the city of Shillong at the time. But once we decided to take this idea, pan India, first of all we needed a name that would, would be scalable, which was not limited to a certain place. Secondly, as far as the meaning of the word is concerned, the word chilo is actually a Mexican slang for the word very cool or very chill. And what we wanted to convey to the customers is that they can be relaxed and they can be chill while we get things done for them. So the brand image that we want to build is that of a digital helper. There are so many reasons that people give me as to why we shouldn't have started off in Shillong. The infrastructure here is not great. Technology has not been pushed to people here or to sellers or to employees here. So why Shillong? And I answer that with three simple points. The first point being the nostalgic value that I hold with this city. So I was born and brought up here. And every time I would travel to all these other cities in India or abroad, I would notice the marked difference in the quality of life. Secondly, as a company, we feel our target is trying to digitalize and trying to push development into tier 3, tier 4, tier 5 cities. And thirdly, the culture and the nature of this city of Shillong actually allows us to solve a very major problem. We are all aware of how big a problem traffic and parking issue can be in Shillong. Every now and then you just get up and you think, hey, instead of building 10 parking lots, why don't you build an app and solve the problem instead?
So the challenges that we've identified from the customer front, starting this platform, was the traffic issue that is very persistent into this city of Shillong. There are various parking issues that we've seen, stores do not have parking, they don't have accessibility, and there are sometimes availability of materials which are not there at stores. So a consumer has to hop from one store to the other in order to search. So this was the basic idea that we wanted to give it out to the consumers, why you go there, why do you have to go there when we can come to you instead. We can have those things delivered to you when you can see what is available in your locality, in your nearby stores. So these are the major challenges that we were trying to understand.
So our target after a period of 3 months actually is to scale up to 3 cities in India. And at the same time, start preparing ourselves for pre-seed investment. Currently, obviously, we are bootstrapping ourselves and we're trying to get a proof of concept in tier 3 and tier 4 cities. So eventually over the next 3 months, we aim to actually scale to, 3 cities of varying natures and varying tiers and identify the core challenges on the vendor level and the consumer level and logistics level in our business model. So interesting question about the delivery fleet and how we are managing, logistics, which is perceived to be very operation intensive, requiring a lot of manpower. And this is where technology comes in, So we have sat down and strategized and come up with a delivery app for the delivery persons, which has significantly reduced our human intervention in managing large delivery, fleets. So currently, we are not proactively looking for funding. The startup is currently bootstrapped. Most importantly, because we're operating at a very small scale, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to understand the ground reality of things, and finding strategic and technological solutions to those problems, so that when we actually go for investment and we try to launch at scale, we are able to be prepared to all those prepared with all the solution to the problems that we've seen in our proof of concept stage, which is where we are at currently as a startup.
Welcome to Chillo. We bring your local store to your door. All you need to do is select your required items from your desired store, add them to your cart, and select your time slot as per your convenience and sit back and relax. Meanwhile, the store processes the items by checking the order on their application and packs the order. As soon as the store packs the order, a delivery boy receives a notification on their application and rushes the store to pick up the order. When the delivery boy reaches the store for the pickup, he scans the QR code, takes the order from the store, checks the application and checks the customer details, and goes to the customer for the delivery. The delivery is done within your desired time slot at your doorstep. All you need to do is chill with Chillo while we get the things on the go.